good day everyone. This is again Daddy June and
Daddy June
so here comes another drawing
so
tutorial.
here comes another
about
tutorial.
one SpongeBob character. You know how to draw? This day we will teach you how to draw SpongeBob character. Who's that one?
Gary the Snail.
Gary the Snail. Is the snail move faster, Sian?
No, super.
Super slow. You know how to draw?
He's that. Gary the Snail is SpongeBob's
Okay. Boys and girls there who are watching right now, you know how to draw Gary the Snail? Okay. So this afternoon, we will teach you, Sian and I will teach you how to draw Gary the Snail. Okay, so let's start. Okay. So Gary the Snail, Sian, you know this is a snail, right? So it's like maybe a circle thing on the back of the snail, Sian. Okay, and the snail will like that. So it's like a straight line with a circle thing at the top. Okay, now let's start. We will start with the shell of the snail. Okay, let's start. Oh, mommy is here. Hi, mommy. Hi. Okay, so we will start with the shell. So here's Ian. One. Move up. Circle. And then like that. Okay. Okay, and then we will do starting here, do the line. And then it will move up. So remember, girls, boys, this is the shell of the snail. Next, we will do the eyes of Gary. So we will do here one circle, big eyes,
Oh, so big.
and then okay, one circle, overlap one circle. Okay, so girls and boys, you need to practice how to draw circle thing. Okay, so here we have the big eyeball. Big eyeball of Gary. And then we will color it with black with our pencil. Okay, and then we will do the, what do you call this one, Sian? Okay, two lines, not too big. Okay, you can see straight line like that. And on the other side, the other eye. Very good. And then we will connect this here. Okay, and after that we will do the mouth of Gary the Snail. So Gary the Snail, maybe it's smiling. That. And the, what is this?
T.
Okay, this one.
How many?
It's up to you. Okay, it's very small. And then we will do the like that and then move down.
Also big.
Okay, so big. Should be small.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, next. Here, we will do now the, to complete the drawing. Here's Ian, like that, curve. And then on the other side, we also put some curve. And then, this time, we will do like a wave.
As long as.
Okay? What do you call the feet of the snail? What do you call that one? Oh, that is your assignment. Okay? So, if you know the name of that, this one, you will write the comment. Okay? Write in the comment box. So, another line, Sian, from here. Still, it's like a waves. Okay?
Where does it connect? Here?
Yeah. And then, next, the design of the shell.
Yes.
Shell, like that. It's like a wave also, Sian. You follow?
Wow.
Wow, that's good. And there are 5 spots.
They turn bigger when you.
Okay? Okay. So, like this. So we complete now our our
So simple.
drawing.
So simple.
Okay, so this is now Gary the
Snail.
Snail, one of best friend of SpongeBob. So we will write here Gary. You know how to spell Gary?
Yes, it is.
Gary the Snail. Okay, that's it. By Daddy June.
Wait.
Okay. Okay, so this is how to draw Gary the
Really
Snail.
simple.
Very simple. Okay, you tell them to subscribe our channel.
Please subscribe our channel.
What is our channel? Debbie June
Debbie June 101.
Tutorials. Okay, so you just log in Debbie June in the lower. You can see the button. Okay, here on this side, you can see the button and then you just click to subscribe.
And subscribe.
Okay, till next time, Sian. Say bye-bye for now. Next time, we will draw also another SpongeBob character. If you have some requests, what to draw, just comment in the comment section below and we will draw it for you. Okay? Me and...
See ya.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.